Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites and then act immediately. Make sure the device is on the same SSID or Ethernet port as the router, because mismatched networks cause local-only status. Reboot both the router and your device, power off, wait 60 seconds, then power on because sticky leases and hung stacks clear on restart. Next, inspect IP settings. Note whether DHCP or a static IP is set, and write down the current IP, gateway, and DNS for the next steps. Once done with the basics, focus on IP and DNS because local connectivity usually means name or gateway issues. Release and renew the IP lease. Use ipconfig or network preferences to force DHCP reassignment. This fixes bad leases. If names fail, set DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 temporarily, since broken DNS causes websites to fail while local LAN resources remain accessible. Finally, ping the gateway and run a trace route to 8, 8, 8, 8 to see where packets stop. To finish, reset the network stack and confirm the router's WAN link because that often restores internet access. Flush DNS, reset the network interface or WinSock, and reboot the device. These steps clear corrupted caches and stuck drivers. Inspect the router's WAN status lights, and if the ISP link looks down, power cycle the modem. If problems persist, revert any static IPs you set, and only after documenting changes, perform a router factory reset, and remember this troubleshooting tip. Keep a mobile hotspot ready to verify ISP versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.